Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make flavored paneer at home with twist. So first pour 1 liter of milk into the saucepan or kadhai. Boil the milk over medium heat. Keep an eye on it and stir regularly to prevent the milk from burning. Now reduce heat down to low and add 1 cup of water with 1 tablespoon of vinegar. You can also choose lemon juice instead of vinegar as well. Stir the milk mixture until cheese curds or chena start to form. You will be able to see the curds start to clump together and the whey start to appear. If the curds don't start forming after 2 minutes or so, add more vinegar a tablespoon at a time, stirring frequently. Now add appropriate flavorings. I added 1 teaspoon each of chili flakes, coriander, oregano and roasted cumin powder. Pour your curds into a large pot lined with cheesecloth or single layer of towel. Wash it for 2 to 3 times only. Gather the cheesecloth and lift up the curds to drain more whey. Gently squeeze the bowl of curds. Now transfer the drained curds onto a plate. Fold edges of cheesecloth as smoothly as possible over the curds so they are covered completely. Press it down and form into a rough disc. Place any heavy pot on top of the curds and transfer it to the refrigerator. curds set for at least 1 hour. Take curds out of the fridge and remove wet. Unwrap curds and remove cheesecloth also. Now slice the cheese curds or paneer into cubes. Finally, the flavored paneer is ready. You can add it to your favorite curry, pizza, salad or mouth as it is. So friends, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, like my video and share it with your friends and family. In my next video, I will show you how this flavored paneer would make delicious additions to your favorite dish.